Hello and welcome to the latest product release video for the Team Admin app, showcasing all the latest updates we have added for the Team Admin desktop. In this product release video we'll be showing you calendars by depot, leave description updates, hiding specific app features, and default values on timesheets. We've added the ability to have separate calendars for each depot. This is useful, for example, if you were to have two depots, one in Leeds and one in Glasgow. England and Scotland can have different days for bank holidays, so it's better to have individual calendars so that you have a clearer view of driver availability. So to set this up, I go to my menu and then search for depots. From here I select my Glasgow depot and then click on the calendar button down the bottom. This opens up the calendar screen. From here I click the plus sign on the top right corner, which will allow me to add a calendar event. I create a day for St Andrew's Day bank holiday, select that it's a non-working day and then press OK. I can now highlight the 1st of December under this calendar event, hit save, and when I exit the calendar and go back, it's now saved. Once holidays are set up in your system, when staff book leave, these holidays will not be deducted from the balance. So with this example, if someone was to book annual leave from the 1st of December to the 5th of December, the system would account for the 1 day of holiday, and while 5 days were booked, only 4 days would be taken from the balance. We've made a couple of changes to leave descriptions with this update. Firstly, we've added a feature which allows the available leave descriptions to be restricted based on either staff category, depot or department. An example of where this might be used is to prevent half days being booked for drivers, but then made available for office staff. This provides you with a tailored experience of staff annual leave. If you'd like to implement these new leave descriptions, simply navigate to your menu and search for our newly created leave description section. From here, click Add and then input the details of your leave description on the first page, and then go to Restrictions at the top and select the staff category you want to restrict this from, then hit OK and it will save the description. You may have also noticed a checkbox when I was in the leave descriptions page named Not Available in App. This option blocks users of the app from accessing this leave description. An example of when this may be used is for a compassionate leave. If you don't want to allow your staff to book compassionate leave themselves, but still allow office staff to book it for them, this is when that would be used. This will give you even greater control over specific things that staff can access. I'll now show you what I mean from within the app. So, as you can see from my Team Admin app, currently I'm able to, as an office staff member, access the new leave description I just set up. However, once I activate the option to make it unavailable in the TMS, you'll see the next time I go to access this option from within my app, it no longer appears. Keeping within the theme of hiding things in the app, we have taken it a step further and now allow you to hide specific sections of the app for certain staff members. This can be used, for example, to hide the timesheet section from office staff because it isn't relevant to them. The new option gives you the ability to restrict access for timesheets, leave, expenses, and documents. If you'd like to restrict access to a section for a staff member, simply navigate to Staff from your menu and then select the staff member. The options will then be near the bottom of the form. Simply select the section you want to deny access to and then hit OK. The staff member will then no longer be able to access that section of the app. And finally, we have added the ability to add a default value to timesheet activities. This could be used, for example, if a driver always has a 30-minute break. That activity can be set to 30 minutes to save the driver inputting that data himself. This can of course still be edited by the driver if they had a longer or shorter break. To set up default values, go to your menu and search for timesheet activities. Select the activity you want to add the default to and then fill in the initial duration box with the amount of time you want the default to be set to. So, for my example, I'm using 30 minutes. Once complete, when a driver goes to add their break to their timesheet, the value will be defaulted for 30 minutes. That concludes this product release video for the Team Admin app. If you have any questions regarding this release, please contact your Customer Success Manager at csm@mandata.co.uk. Also, we'd love to hear what you think about the new updates, so please consider following the link in the email to leave some feedback and enter the draw for a chance of winning a £25 Amazon gift voucher. Thanks for watching.